Hello, I am Milo Marks and I was building today a claw bot. As you can see, I've got quite a bit done. There's the brain, motors. I have 4 cables connected already. The base, which is the first thing you do, and some motors here to turn the gears that turn the wheels. I stopped on step 46 because it's time to go to bed. I'm building this part. I don't know what, it's not much right now. I don't know what it's gonna be for, but
So why are we following the directions?
because we're going to get practice for it. Then we're gonna build something a little more complex. Then we're gonna build something custom.
So we're learning how all the pieces fit together and how we can arrange things, right?
Yeah.
Like, what did we learn about the motor and the shaft today?
We learned that that you could take out the shaft, take another piece, and tell the length, cause it would be the same length as a, say,
What happens when you don't get the shaft and the motor far enough?
it doesn't have a grip and it won't turn.
What does
your
it feel
gear.
like?
If you don't get it far enough into the motor, then
It won't turn when the motor's on. But does
Yeah.
it turn when the motor's off?
You can't hand turn it.
Yeah, you can hand turn it. But then when you get it far enough into the motor, can you hand turn the shaft? If you get it in there right? Like, could you just turn that shaft just now?
Yeah.
But it's hard, right?
Yeah.
And did you hear the motor going?
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to get you to talk about. Remember how when we put these gears on, how they turned really easy and they didn't make any noise? And then we were like, oh, we don't have them far enough in. So we stuck them in further, and now they make the noise. Which is good, right? Means that the motor's engaging. Okay, how excited are you?
Really excited.